All right. I showed the passive filters, and this has an active filter at 5 hertz. And we took a look at it yesterday, and there's no batteries in it. It looks like somebody drilled a hole in the back. And I said, hey, maybe I should add a connector. So that's what I've done. Let's see here. Let me disconnect it from the power supply. I was playing with it. So yeah, so I've added basically a microphone connector. That's what I call them. Let's see if I can pull this out. Oh, it's really, there we go. Stuck in there. There we go. One of these jobbers, a four pin, and I've wired it up. Pin 1 is plus 12, ground is 2, and 3 is minus 12, and then I have this little pigtail one here that I can use to play with it. So yeah, it's real nice. I'll show you some pictures here. Put it all together and decided, you know, it's vintage, so I'll go ahead and do my signature cable lacing on it. So yeah, it looks the part, looks vintage. So I say we take this thing, put some clip leads on it, hook it all up to our oscilloscope, and we'll sweep the filter at 5 hertz. All right, everything's set up here. When we go to the battery test position, we get a lit LED, so I guess we're good to go. And then we can flip it to 5 hertz, and we can run our test. All right, so let's take a look at how things are going here. All right, you can see that we're drawing about 13 milliamps at minus 12 and 16 at plus 12. And we'll go to the test position. The test position draws about 24 milliamps in each, something like that, just for test. So I've gone ahead and swept the filter here, and we are getting a amplitude peak around 5 hertz, and a phase reversal or phase change, not reversal, but phase change at the resonant frequency. And I'll show some screen captures here so you can see things a little bit better. And the table here shows you that it is adjusted quite well at 5 hertz, so I'm pretty impressed with that. Okay, well there you go. I have a nice new addition for the garage, yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but but I do like it.